And here we go. And the ball is up in the air. Here's the first point. The first point for Team Rudra. So the point is
1-0.
one. Again the service for Team Rudra. The ball is up in the air. And the ball is slowly. And the second point for Team Rudra.
2-0 Team Rudra.
Yes, very good game going in with Team Rudra and Team Chanakya. And here's the third point for Team Rudra.
3-0 Team Rudra.
3-0 for Team Rudra. The ball is up in the air and good gameplay going. And here's it's now a point for Team
1-2.
Chanakya.
1-3.
The score is now 1-3.
1-14.
The ball is going. The place game continue and it's an outside. Now the point is
3-2.
4-1 होगा ना? Now the score is 4-1.
4-1.
4-1. Now the score is 4-1. So yes, good gameplay and then again the service and again we have the game going on. This time it's Shitij. After Shitij it's Shitij to Sarthak, Sarthak to Arya again to Sarthak and again again to Samir. Now it's point for Team Chanakya.
2-4.
It's 2-4 now and the ball is outside the court. Now it's service for Prathamesh. The service for Prathamesh goes and the Prathamesh goes for service and it's out of the court. The point for
4-3. 5-3.
5-3.
5-2.
5-2.
5-2.
Total points 5-2. Now the service for Om. The Om goes on the service and now it's Arya. Arya to now there is again one more point for Team Chanakya.
3-5.
The score is now 3-5. And yes, very good game going on. Now it's the service from Team Chanakya. Player name Prathamesh. Now it's service for Prathamesh. Prathamesh goes for service. Now it's this time it is. Now this time the point goes for Team
6-3.
Rudra. Now the points are 6 and 3. This time service for Abhishek Sharma. The game's going on. Very good game going on. And this time there was a chance for a point and now it's for the point goes to Team Rudra. Now there is 7-3. Again the service from Abhishek Sharma. Yes, very good service. Very good point from Samit Damle and 8-3 the points now.
Very good strike.
Very good strike from Mr. Samit Damle. Now this time the point goes, service fails.
4-8.
Now the points are 4-8. And now this time the service for Ayush Porji from Chanakya. The service goes and the service fails.
9-4.
9-4. This is 9-4 now. Now the service for Om Pawar. And the outside from Sarthak Pawar. And this is 10-4 now. The points are 10-4. Very good game going on now. बहुत ही बढ़िया गेम चलता हुआ यहाँ पर सबकी सांसें थम चुकी है और यहाँ ओम ने सर्विस कर ली और ये बहुत बढ़िया सर्विस यहाँ पर ओम द्वारा और बहुत बढ़िया प्रयास पॉइंट का लेकिन असफल होते हुए नीरज पॉइंट्स 11-4 होते हुए Team Rudra is leading with the points. And now there's one more chance to make points. And this time, this chance for Team Chanakya.
5-11.
5-11 is the score now. Team Rudra is still leading with 6 points. And this time it's another point for Chanakya.
6-11.
Now the score goes 6-11. One more service from Prathamesh and service to Abhishek sir. And the service, this is another point. Now the score is 7-11.
7-11.
Team Chanakya is getting comeback in the game. And now it's point for, there is a confusion in the game. So now there is a point for Chanakya. Now the score is 8-11. And again the service for Prathamesh. So the service for Prathamesh goes, and here Prathamesh to Kshitij to Shamir, and Samir directly out of the ball. It's 9-11 now. The score is 9-11. I think the comeback goes for Chanakya
9-11.
right now.
9-11.
And now it's very good gameplay going on. This is a very good service. Yes. And now one more point for Team Chanakya. Now it's 10-11.
Very good comeback by Team
But very good
Chanakya.
very good. Yes, with me is Duresh Patil, and we both are the commentators for today. And now it's point for Team Rudra.
12-11.
It's 12 and 12-11. So again the service for Mr. Sharma, and Mr. Sharma does the service. And very good service by Mr. Sharma. And again the point for Team Rudra. So
13-11.
now the score is 13-11. 13 for Rudra and 11 for very good game going on. Again for Mr. Sharma, and good game going here. And here's very good game going on. Chance for point, and just missed. Good carry by Samir. And again it's a point for Team Rudra. Now it's now
14-11.
14-11. Again the service from Mr. Sharma, and now it's a very good service. And again the point goes for Team Rudra, and
15-11.
it's 15-11 now. Again the service goes from Mr. Sharma. Yes, good service. And here Chanakya needs to get a good comeback to win this match. And here's very good game. Yes, the ball is in the air, and again it's the less coordination between the players, and the
16-11.
points are now again the service from Mr. Sharma, and again very good carry, and there is again a point. It's now 17-11. This is a very good game and good comeback for Team Rudra. Chanakya is lying behind the points. Again it's very good service from Mr. Chanakya,
Good set by Manthan.
and good set by Manthan. Very good.
12-17.
Now it's 12-7 point for Team Chanakya.
A very good service from
Yeah.
Prathamesh.
Now the service for Team Chanakya goes.
Samir is also very well played.
Yes, Prathamesh does the service, and now this time it's the point for Team Rudra. It's now
18.
It's now 18 for Team Rudra. Very good game going by Rudra. Yes, it's a good set. Not
18-11.
point. And then again a good set. Going on. Again it's a point for good one by Supam Patil.
कर रहा है ना वो, कर रहा है ना.
Here's a misconfusion. So the point is now for team
11,
Chanakya.
12,
12 and
18.
18. 12 and 18 are the points now. 12 and 18 are the points now. Here's
Point इनके
Point.
point है.
point for
There is a
now. There is the point for Rudra. 19 and 12.
19,
There's a 19 points
12.
for
19,
Team
12.
Rudra and 12 for Chanakya. Again, a very good service and a very good one by Shubham. And it's 20 for Rudra, 11 for 12 for Chanakya.
going on between Rudra and Chanakya. Rudra is leading the game with 20 points, and the Chanakya really needs to come back in the game if they want to win.
Good one by. And now it's
Net.
a point for Chanakya by Mr. Samit Dhamle. Net point. It's now 20 and 13.
21.
Yes, I think that I support my team. I think that this time, but if Chanakya could come back, then it might be a very good thing for, might be a very dangerous thing for team. And this time it is Chanakya. Now the score is 20 and 14. 20-14 है ना?
Point. 21, 14. 15, 21.
Now it's 20.
22
Now
or
it's
14.
15. Sorry
14,
for
14.
good Samish, and here's the game going, and the ball is in the air, and now it's set for a very good one by Samir Dhamle, and Samir to Porte, Samir to Neeraj to Manthan. Again the point miss Chanakya
By miss hand performance.
by the wrong move. And now the score is
22, 14. क्या हाँ तो दिया ना.
and now this time point for Rudra. It's now 23 and 2 points to go for the now Mr. Sharma to Prathamesh to Manthan, and Manthan again gets it, and now this time it's again a point
Set
for
point.
team.
Set point.
1 point to go for the set.
For the set, yes, right. Sharma. Very good one. And from here, Sarthak. It's a point for score is
24, 15.
24 and 15. Very good 9 points. Team Rudra.
24, 15.
Team Rudra is about to win the match,
Yes, just 1 point.
15.
and they win.
Very good.
Set point.
And yes. Set. This time it's one time. Now the points are 15 and
16.
16 and 24. The set,
25, 16.
the
15.
all score is 25 and 15. 15. So the set first won by Team Rudra.
First set goes for Team Rudra.
Team Rudra, yes.
काम करेगा.
I think it was led by Mr.
Service begins for Team Chanakya, and the service goes for Sarthak Pawar. And the first point to Team Rudra. It is the first. The second set, first point goes to Team Rudra. Now the score is 1 and 0.
One love.
And again, the service from Team Rudra from Om Pawar. Om Pawar is ready to service, and the service from Om Pawar to Sarthak, Sarthak to Manthan, Manthan to Om again, and
25, 15.
And now this time it's chance for point and they miss the point. But this time again the ball is up in the air. The ball is now swing in the air. There's no point now. 1-0 the score. And the ball is still going in the air. And now going the ball. Game is still going.
Boarding lagi, boarding lagi.
The game is going on. The game is still going on. The game is becoming very interesting. And now this here, it stands for a point. And this time, the point is for Team Rudra. Now it's 2-0.
Too low.
And yes, the flow goal. Rudra, Mr. Sharma is very happy. And there's now this time is a point for Team Chanakya.
Very long.
Now the score is
1-2.
1 and 2. 1 for Team Chanakya and 2 for Team Rudra.
After very long.
After a very long time, the point comes for Team Chanakya. Now the service Sarthak Pawar. Again, yes, very good game. So game is becoming very interesting on the another point. Yes, the game is continue. Very good. Again, from Sarthak. Sarthak missed the point and now this time it's point for Team Rudra. 3-1. And again, the service from Mr. Sharma. Yes, Mr. Sharma for service. Very good service from. And the point now doesn't come. Very good game. Yes, a very nice one by Ayush Porje. And this time it's the point for Team Rudra.
नेट है उससे ही बोला है.
This time it's point for Team Rudra. This time it's point for Team Rudra. Yes. Now it's Avinash. What's the score, man?
4-1.
Now the score is 4-1. And the service missed by Mr. Sharma. Okay, no worry. The captain says no worry. Now the score is 2 and 4. Again the service from Sarthak. Sarthak to Mr. Sharma. Mr. Sharma to Sarthak again. And now Manthan. And now this time the point misses. The point again for Team Rudra. It's a very good game going on.
5-2.
Now the score is 5-2. Yes. Now
6.
the Team Rudra is cheering very good. I think that they are very excited. Team and Rohit, yes. Rohit here. Yes. Service again. Service from the point and now again the service. And here we get from home. Yes. Yes, this is now. This time it's point. And this time it's point for team. Yes. What's the score?
3-6.
Now it's 3 and 6.
3.
Yes, it's 6-3-6 for Team Rudra and 3 for Team Chanakya. Yes. Again the service from Sarthak Pawar.
What do you think after the first set?
Yes,
You
it's
see-
quite interesting and I'm very excited to know the game very further. Yes, the service from Team Chanakya. Yes, Sarthak does the service. Sarthak to again from Neeraj to Samir, from Samir to Prathamesh. Again Samir. Now this time it's point for Team Chanakya. It's time for Team Chanakya.
4-6.
It is now. And this time it's again a point And yes, very good game going on. Yes, ball is up in the air. Again, the service does. Yes, nice one from Neeraj. Very good one by Neeraj. And yes, a point for Team Rudra. Nice point. And I know the points now. 7-4. Yes. Set is 7-4.
7-4.
A good game. And Mr. Sharma to the service. And now from Mr. Sharma to Sarthak Pawar. And Sarthak Pawar to Samir. Samir to Om. And here again with Sarthak Pawar. Again, it's up in the air. The ball is just swinging like. Very good game going on in the players. Yes. Yes, like a professional gameplay going within the Swami Ranaran Defense Academy, and a very good game. And here the point again for Team Rudra. Now it's 8-4. A very good game going within both the teams.
शुभम ब्रेक बोल रहे.
And now the referee announced for the break. There's time for a break. The score is 8-4. Yes.
After the break, here is Patil presenting up the second half for the game.
Only the second set continues.
Second set continues with the points. May I know the points? With the points 8 and 4 for Team Rudra and 4 for Team Chanakya. Here goes pass and
now this time the point is for Team Rudra. Again,
9-4. Point.
It's going.
game. Point for team.
Seven. हाँ मैं देख रहा हूँ. Scotta. Eight 14.
Now the points are
8-14. 8 and 14.
8 and 14. Very good game going here. Yes. Now, service from
8-14.
8 and 14 are the points from and from to Arya. It's a point team. Very good game going here. Very good game going here. And
अरे तुझा नाही रे दादा तुझा नाही रे
no points here. Yes. Service from home. It's very good. Game.
16-8. 16-8. Seventeen eight. 17-8.
And the ball. Using 10-17. It's 10-17 now.
11-17. 17. इसका 11, इसका 17.
Amiss. So the points
12, 17.
team and becomes
पॉइंट है. रुकना. पॉइंट है. लगा है क्या? मैंने देखा था. ना.
Due to the net has touched the net is hand. The point goes for Team Chanakya.
game very quickly. A very good one by Mark Bise.
Good save.
Just an time point. So I'll tell you the points now. Points are
1 सेकंड. 18, 15, 18.
points are 16 and 18. Team Chanakya is quite closer to team.
मैं देख रहा हूँ.
आणि सेटची परी सर्व्हिस अभिषेक शर्माद्वारे केली गेलेली आहे आणि इथं 15 आणि 18 पॉईंट्स झालेले आहेत. अभिषेक सरांद्वारा केली गेलेली आहे आणि इथं खूप चांगल्या प्रकारे सर्व्हिस केली गेलेली आहे. तर इथं पॉईंट्सची खूप आवश्यकता आहे चाणक्यला. खूप चांगला अतिशय चांगला गेम होता ना आणि असं वाटतंय का राष्ट्रीय पदाचे खेळाडू खेळत आहेत इथं आणि इथं या ठिकाणी तर पॉईंट्स आता 19 आणि 15
19, 15.
19 आणि 15 झालेले आहेत या ठिकाणी. त्या ठिकाणी अजून एक सर्व्हिस अभिषेक सरांद्वारा. तर अभिषेक सरांनी खूप
पीयूष भी पीछे खड़ा है ना.
चांगली देखणी सर्व्हिस केलेली आहे आणि इथं परत अजून एक चांगली सर्व्हिस आणि खूप चांगला अतिशय गेम होता ना इथं. टीम
चल
प्लेयर तर सोबत राहिले.
टच नहीं हुआ है. टच नहीं हुआ है.
तर इथे
हाथ का इशू नहीं है कुछ. नहीं.
सगळे खेळाडू काय नाश्ता करू
मैं बता रहा हूँ ना.
इथं खूप चांगला नाश्ता आणि इथं सेट परत कंटिन्यू
20, 17.
इथं सेटची आणि कमेंटेटरच्या जवळ यांनी बॉल मारलेला आहे, तर खूप अतिशय चांगल्या पद्धतीने यांचा हा पॉइंट जातो चाणक्यला. खूप चांगला, अतिशय खूप चांगला पॉइंट इथे. आणि धनराज दादांची ही फरमाईश आहे की कॉमेंट्री हिंदीमध्ये झालेली पाहिजे. आणि परत अजून एक पॉइंट इथे चाणक्यासाठी. हळूहळू चाणक्य गेममध्ये परत येताना. आणि या ठिकाणी मी रेफरीला गुजारिश करतो की त्यांनी पॉईंट सांगावे.
19-20.
इथे 20 पॉईंट झालेले आहे या ठिकाणी.
19.
इथं खूप चांगले पद्धतीने असा खेळ होताना आणि इथं 20-19 पॉईंट होताना या ठिकाणी. आणि लीड जात आहे हळूहळू रुद्राच्या हातातनं. आणि
रुद्राला गेममध्ये राहायसाठी थोडंसं लीड बनवावं लागेल. आणि इकडं चाणक्य गेममध्ये परत येताना.
आणि इथं रुद्रासाठी 21 आणि 19 खूप चांगला जात आहे.
ओए हर्षवर्धन.
बहुत उम्मीद कर रहे हैं हमारे बच्चे. टाकले इतके चांगले शब्द बोलून काय बोलावे. तर यांचे खूप धन्यवाद सर, शब्द बोलल्याबद्दल, आम्हाला मोटिवेट केल्याबद्दल. आणि या ठिकाणी अजून एक पॉईंट टीम चाणक्यासाठी. तर पॉईंट्स हळूहळू चाणक्यासाठी परत आहेत. तर इथं 20 आणि 21 झालेले आहेत या ठिकाणी. 20 आणि 21,
20-21.
20-21 झालेले आहेत इथं पॉईंट. आणि हळूहळू गेम वाढताना. आणि इथं पॉईंट परत टीम रुद्रासाठी. इथं 22 पॉईंट झालेले आहेत. 22 पॉईंट झालेले आहे टीम रुद्रासाठी. आणि त्यांना 3 पॉईंट लागत आहेत जिंकायला.
22-20.
इथं 20 पॉईंट झालेले आहेत टीम चाणक्यासाठी. त्यांना 5 पॉईंट लागत आहेत जिंकायला.
आता अभिषेक सरांनी सर्व्हिस पकडली आणि सर्व्हिस टाकताना ऑनलाईन आलेले सर्व्हिस आणि पॉईंट केला आहे टीम रुद्राला.
टीम माहोल या प्लेयर्स मध्ये. आणि स्पेशली आणि या ठिकाणी
काय मोना काय मोना आवाज.
एक 23 पॉईंट झाले या ठिकाणी. तर या ठिकाणी परत
एक चीज लीड आहे रुद्रासाठी.
रुद्राकडे
22.
22-23 पॉईंट झालेले आहेत. 22-23 फरक होता मध्ये. एक पॉईंट गेम आणि तिथं होता ना.
21-23.
अजून पण लीड आहे.
23 होता ना. 2 पॉईंट्सची लीड आहे. आणि इथं गेम थांबवताना. अरे भाई, अरे तुमचं काम आहे यार, ते करतील त्यांचं.
22-23. अरे काउंटिंग में मुझसे कोई.
तर या ठिकाणी अतिशय रुद्राला 2 पॉईंट लागत आहेत जिंकायला आणि चाणक्याला 3. आणि इथं खूप चांगला असा डाव खेळला आहे अभिषेक सरांनी. आणि इथं पॉईंट या ठिकाणी रुद्रासाठी 1 पॉईंट लागत आहे त्यांना फक्त सेट जिंकायला.
गेम पॉइंट.
आता हे खूप क्लोज आलेले आहेत.
24 पॉईंट झालेले आहेत त्यांचे. आणि अतिशय चांगला गेम होता ना इथे. सगळ्यांचे हृदयाचे जे धगधग आहेत ते वाढताना. का कोण सेट जिंकल, पुढचं सेट कोण जिंकणार आहे या ठिकाणी परत. आणि या ठिकाणी हा सेट रुद्रानी जिंकलेला आहे. तर हा सेट जो आहे 25 आणि 23 या ठिकाणी समाप्त. रुद्रा हा सेट जिंकलेली आहे. आणि आणि इथं या ठिकाणी मी इकडे आमच्या
धन्यवाद. आम्हाला खूप मजा आली.
Mid